Hi everyone, it's Mark here from Swagger and Jacks. Here is another one of our How to Help at Home videos. Today's topic is how to shape a longer beard.
Wear a contrasting coloured t-shirt so you can see the outline of the beard more easily. Using a brush the whiskers flat onto the chest. Using large clippers without a guard, start from the centre of the beard and work to the edges, pressing the clippers into the beard at the target length. Using mini trimmers, work down towards the design line. This will establish the lines which you're now going to shape to. Using the dry foil razor, move the foil from side to side to create the design line, and then work up and away, feeding the stubble into the foil head. Alternatively, you can wet shave using shaving oil and a razor. The oil will be translucent, so this will enable you to see the design line. Shave following the natural growth direction, never against the growth itself, as this can create ingrowing hairs. Using a comb with narrow teeth, place this on the moustache to hold it in place whilst you're working. Start from the centre and trim outwards on each of the two sides. Use just the edge of the mini clippers only. You'll find this much easier to work with. Follow the pink upper line of the lips to create a natural contour. Then repeat on the other side. Now to blending the edges. Brush the whiskers into position. Using the trimmers to freehand the whiskers in front of the ear to complete the transition into the length. Do this visually. Your beard shaping is now complete. Let's move on for styling now with beard balm. So warm with a hairdryer, and when soft and smooth, work between the palms and into the beard. Working into the mid-lengths and ends, brush into style. You can now refine and perfect the shape, and your beard shape and design service is now complete. Great job!